Hello there. This is Rozani. Welcome back to part 2 of my Papier Mâché Parrot. It will be a macaw. This video will have mostly music, as I believe it's self-explanatory. So I will continue. Here we go. Paper napkins make great fillers. Moving right along, we have the wings. These are only the basic beginnings, of course. It'll be the armature, the understructure of all of the other details to come. And we've got to have some drumsticks, right? Okay, it's dry enough now to start connecting some of the pieces parts. These pieces are going to be taped on, and then I will paper mache over them. That would be the wing and the little leg, which will begin with the drumstick, of course. Here we go. Paper mache over it to hold it in place. I'm going to have to do this several times, and it's going to need to dry in between applications. Doing one side at a time is best. This doesn't have to be realistic. It could be a fantasy bird. Ultimately, he's going to have some talons, or I don't know what they're called, little claws, so I need to more or less figure out where they're going to go. But I'm going to remove this piece. I just wanted to kind of get an idea of the size. And this is where he is for now. And of course he's going to have to dry, and I need to do the other side and then come back and do some more. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video where we'll be working on more details to include the tail. Bye-bye for now, and see you next time.